How to make payment with Wise digital card. Want to shop online or pay in store without your physical card? Let's see how the Wise digital card works. Open the Wise app and then go to the card section. So from here, go ahead and activate your digital card. You'll see your card number, expiry date, and CVV ready to use. So once you click on this card details and then once you have entered your password, you'd be able to get these details. So at checkout, select credit or debit card, enter your Wise digital card details, and Wise automatically converts currencies at the real exchange rate so you can save on hidden fees. So for in-store purchases, add your Wise digital card to Google Pay or Apple Pay, unlock your phone, tap it near the contactless terminal, and the payment goes through instantly. Your digital card has a different number from your physical card, adding extra protection. You can freeze or unfreeze it anytime in the app, perfect for safer online shopping and subscriptions. And that is how to make payment with Wise digital card.